Look here, my Snaggy. Oh, he looks so dreamy. Oh, look at his little face. Sweet face, destroyed couch. Thank you, Snaggy. My Snaggy Wiggy, my Snaggy Wiggy, my Snaggy Wiggy, my Snaggy Wiggy. Let me get down on ground level with you. Oh Snaggy, oh Snaggy, oh Snaggy, oh Snaggy, oh Snaggy. Hi. Does mommy love Ravi? Does mommy love Minx? I love you. I love you. Aww. Look at him. You guys. Aww. So blessed. That whole thing about we rescue them, but they rescue us. It's so true. He has given me so many laughs, comforted so many tears. He's like the best man I've ever shared a bed with. Well, that's the whole thing, eh? Yeah, I know. When you would take a cat over a human, that should tell a story. Oi, Snaggy, oi, Snaggy. Well, I mean, who could compare to this? You know what I love about him? He sleeps... I have 2 satin pillows. And I take one, he takes the other. And last night, he was like sleeping on my head, you guys. And when I have a lot of stress in my life, he can completely sense it. Like he's a furry angel, right? So I don't know if it's God that directs him or what, but when I'm like, this is going to sound weird, but when I'm super stressed, he'll lay on my head, and then when I wake up, it's like he has absorbed every negative thing that was happening. And I wake up with joy in the morning. Darkness may endure for a night, sadness may endure for a night, but joy always comes in the morning. That's straight biblical, you guys. Yeah, big yawns. Thank you for helping me, honey bunny. I love you. You want to say bye to everyone? Wish them a good day? Take care.